Hello, Coin Explorers. Welcome back to CoinXplore, the channel where we uncover hidden treasures in everyday coins. Today's coin might surprise you. Imagine finding a small 2010 Canada 5 cents coin in your pocket and discovering that collectors could pay up to $209 or even more for a rare version of it. Yes, this tiny Canadian nickel with a beaver design could be worth much more than its face value. So in today's video, we'll explore the history of the 2010 Canadian 5 cents coin, its design and special features, minting details, rare varieties and errors, and the real collector value. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also tell you exactly what to look for to know if your coin is valuable. The Canadian 5 cents coin, commonly called the nickel, has a long and fascinating history. The famous beaver design first appeared in 1937, created by artist George Edward Kruger Gray, and it has remained one of the most recognizable symbols of Canada ever since. The beaver was chosen because it represents hard work, determination, and Canada's historic fur trade, which helped shape the country's early economy. Over the decades, the coin's composition changed many times, but the iconic beaver design stayed almost the same. The 2010 version continues this historic tradition while also including modern minting technology from the Royal Canadian Mint. Let's take a closer look at the design. Reverse, backside. On the reverse side of the coin, you will see a beaver sitting on a rock, a log beside it, the inscription Canada, the denomination 5 cents, 2 maple leaves beside the value. This famous design has been used for decades and remains a national symbol. Obverse, front side. On the front of the coin, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, the inscription Elizabeth II DG Regina, the initials SB, representing designer Susanna Blunt. This portrait was used on Canadian coins from 2003 to 2023. Now let's look at the technical details of this coin. Here are the specifications of the 2010 Canada 5 cents coin. Country, Canada. Year, 2010. Face value, 5 cents. Weight, 3.95 grams. Diameter, 21.2 millimeters. Thickness, 1.76 millimeters. Composition, nickel-plated steel, 94.5% steel, 3.5% copper, 2% nickel plating. Edge, plain. The coin was produced by the Royal Canadian Mint, which is known for producing some of the most advanced coins in the world. In 2010, the Royal Canadian Mint produced approximately 126,840,000 coins. That means millions of these coins were made and circulated across Canada. Because of this high mintage, most normal coins are not extremely rare. However, certain mint errors, special conditions, and collector grades can make some examples far more valuable. How much is the 2010 Canadian nickel actually worth? For normal circulated coins, value, about 17 cents to 30 cents. For high-grade collector coins, up to $15 to $30 or more depending on condition. But here's where things get interesting. Some rare mint error coins or perfect high-grade specimens sold in collector markets can reach hundreds of dollars, sometimes around $200 or more, especially when graded and certified. That's why collectors always check their coins carefully. If you want to know whether your coin could be valuable, look for these rare features. Letters or numbers appear doubled. The coin design is not centered. Small raised lines caused by cracked mint dies. Coins with no scratches and original shine are worth much more. Coins graded MS65 or higher by professional grading companies can sell for significantly higher prices. These rare varieties are the reason some collectors claim the coin can reach hundreds of dollars in special cases. So, the 2010 Canada 5 cents coin might look ordinary, but it still has an interesting history and potential value for collectors. Most coins are only worth a few cents, but a rare error or perfect condition coin could be worth much more than you expect. So next time you see a Canadian nickel with a beaver, don't ignore it. Take a closer look, because you might be holding a hidden treasure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, comment below if you have this coin, subscribe to CoinXplore for more rare coin discoveries. And remember, every coin has a story, and some could make you rich. Thanks for watching.